In the following figure, connections of some of the tanks are shown. Avoid the effects due to pipelines, viscosity, and pressure variations. Rates of flow of water from source and other outlets are 2 liter per second and 1 liter per second respectively. Find the time in which tank B gets completely filled after opening the source. You are watching Brain Exploders, the world where brain starts working. In this problem, rates of flow of water are given in the unit of liter per second, while reading of levels are given in meter. So if we substitute these heights with corresponding volumes of water, then it will become convenient for us. Let us take an example of a tank of 420 liters, which is 1.4 meters deep. Volume of a cylinder is directly proportional to its height. Therefore, ratio of heights is equal to ratio of corresponding volumes. Using this property, we can calculate the levels of water in liters. After converting all these required levels into liters, we should focus on the sequence in which these tanks get filled. At first, 12 liters of water will be filled in tank A at a rate of 2 liters per second. After this, water will start flowing into tank B at a rate of 1 liter per second. Since rate of flow of water from source is more than that of outlet of tank A, therefore remaining part of tank A will be filled at a rate of 1 liter per second. After 100 liters of water in tank B, water will start flowing from tank B to tank C. Since in tank B, inlet and outlet have same rate of water flow, therefore level of water in tank B will stop increasing. After completing 120 liters of water in tank A, water will start flowing into tank D. When tank C will achieve a volume of 30 liters, then both tank B and C will be filled together, each at a rate of 0.5 liters per second. In this duration, 18 more liters of water will be filled in tank D, and half of 18, that is 9 more liters of water will be filled in tank B and C each. Now, water will start flowing from tank D to tank B, half of which will contribute to fill tank C. Therefore, remaining 1 liters of tank B will be filled at a rate of 1 liters per second. Let us write this data in a systematic way. Here we have different volumes of water along with their rates, and no two of these are simultaneous. Required time can be calculated by dividing volumes by respective rates, and finally we get required time equals to 155 seconds. This was our solution. Let's move to our another question. If p is equal to 10 factorial, then find the sum of all the factors of p. Try this question and comment as the solution, and if you have any question like this, then please share with us. Don't forget to like and share our video, and for more such videos subscribe to our channel Brain Exploders. Thanks for watching.